Happy Tech Tuning in 21. I'm Chris Bettis from Fluent Mortgage. Tech fluently. All right, so we've been talking about upping your video game, right? We've done cameras, we've done lighting, we've done sound. The last thing truly is a teleprompter. So we're gonna unbox the Glide Gear teleprompter and we'll look at it together. We'll actually play with it today and see how it rolls. So let's look inside. Hey everybody, so just in terms of brand loyalty, right? Why not GVM? Why not the Great Video Maker? As you know, we've been crazy impressed with them in terms of price, functionality, build quality, what you get. They were one of the other highest ranked stats, etc., reviews, but it didn't have the carrying case and it was a bigger unit that was permanently affixed. And as you know, we're very mobile with our units. That's why we have them on batteries. We sometimes shoot off site. So for us then, having the case, having a little bit more portable unit that it can come and go off is the reason we chose it. So, all right, so now let's kind of unbox. So here we go. Again, nice package since we're always shooting off site. Okay, golden tickets. Apparently you can get a free phone stand. And the smart thing, I might steal some of this ideas or something, is all you gotta do instead of sending it with it is do a review. Pretty smart, right? Do a review and you get something free. So just so you know, you do have to download an app. It doesn't come with its own proprietary app. So for Teleprompter, we'll post the picture on it, but we chose Teleprompter Premium as the app for us and you'll actually get to see it used. All right, this thing is actually pretty robust. Yeah, well constructed, aluminum. Nice. Okay, so some more carrying straps, sure. iPad holder, okay. Interesting. Black out everything. Nice. Yeah. Looks like it has everything we'll need. Okay, so see you in a second with it magically put together. All right, guys, so we've got it all set up. Connector, adapter, keeps all the light out. Obviously high-end camera. And then if you can see it from the front. So the one bummer, it says it works with all iPads, unfortunately not the newer ones. So as you may know, the newer iPad, even not the maximum size one, is just slightly bigger than our old iPads. So it will not fit in this way. It's a little bit too big this way. So for us, yeah, we're gonna have to send it back or do something, see if they have a bigger one, because it's just a little dangerous for me with my iPad. Of course, you can use your adapter and put it in a phone or whatever, but that was the intent of it really. I'll actually run through it. You can see, literally it's mirrored. I hit start. You can just see it going through. All right. Hey, so real quick before I start my script, two things that are gonna be a little different for you. You're gonna have to jump up your exposure or bump it up a tick just because of the tint on the screen. And then lastly, the field of view is significantly reduced. So just understand if you're in a small area closed in like this, just understand what your medium is gonna look like. So here we go, let's start this thing. And this is an example script using my new Glide teleprompter. The hardware comes with it, but you have to download the app. We chose to go with the premium edition because it tracks my language and my speaking exactly. So you just flow and it's more natural. There it was, we just used a teleprompter. Could you even tell? Oh, Chris from Tech Tuning. That was obviously, this is live. Chris from Tech Tuning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, but most of all, tune your tech in 21.